Right, okay, guys. Good evening and welcome back. So, hope you guys are doing well. So, let's start the class. So, you guys will stay till the meeting ends. Understand? Today, I will take your class like bit uh, late. I mean, like around sharp 10:5. Is it okay? Right? Okay. Normally, I'm starting 9:50, but let's do because this is for your practice. There's a special announcement to you, right? So are you guys having any classes Thursday night after 10? No, right? Okay.
No,
So
sir.
from next month onwards, your paper revision class mostly will be ends at 11 p.m. Understand? Because I will take additional 1 hour, same charges, same amount, no any increase. Understand? Because from next month onwards, I'm starting the past paper discussions. Easy clear to you guys? Understand? Right? So, sorry?
Sir, until 11, we have on Tuesday or Thursday.
Tuesday. The same thing. So, not Thursday, Tuesday.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
Tuesday, same paper revision class. Understand? Okay. So then 8 to 10, I'm doing the paper revision thing. Then from 10 5, I'm giving like 15 minutes break. Like we are starting finishing the class around 9:50. Then 9:50 to 10:05. 10 to 10:05 is the countdown. Okay. So from 10:05 onwards to 11. Is it clear to you guys? Understand? Because now next month is August, September, October, November, December. How many months we have? 5 months. Understand? So though I don't know the examination date, whether it can be like January or February, we don't care because we need to finish it around like December. Understand? Right? So because of that, 1 hour I'm taking past paper discussion. So because of that, you need to have the past paper with you. I told you the way you need to prepare the past paper. Understand? Turn on the videos, right? Stay with the video because I want to see everyone. So where are the others? There's one with the without the name. I don't know what is the name. So this one. So you need to stay with the video, right? And your name. There's a one guy without the name, right? Yeah, I'll send the paper. Right. Uh, rename. There is another one without the name. You need to rename yourself. Okay, guys. So others was Nathan, Shahara is here, Vagish, and Yasasi. Okay. So right, let's start. Any other concerns? No, right? Okay. Any concerns? No. Right. So now from this week onwards, I'm again starting the paper revision book. I mean the paper book. You know about our paper book, right? So I already finished the first term test papers. Now we have the second term papers, right? So when it comes to second term papers, what are the things included in here? I already uploaded it to the LMS. Today I'm starting once I finish a calculation. Today the class finished at 10 p.m. Right? Okay. Uh, Western Province 2017 second term test paper. Is it clear to you guys? Understand? Right? So
Yes,
Western
sir.
Province. Next week you have the examination error correction. Understand? Next week. Next week මම දෙනවා error correction exam එක මම දෙක දුලෙන් message එක දාලා දෙනවා ආයි බැලුවා කියලා නියමයි, right? So what I want to tell you, තේරෙනවා නේද දුලෙන් එක අවුලක් නැහැ, right? So there are two,
Yes, sir.
right, two videos you can watch it. If you can refer it through my knowledge answer also. Now what I want to tell you, most probably around 60 to 100 MCQs. So what I want to tell you, ඕනේ නම් එන්න එපා නම් ඒත් එන්න to ඉන්න, I don't care because though you miss any examination, you need to face for the O level paper. Understand? So it's up to you. You can decide. So if you need, you can come and do the examination. No, it's through online and physical both platforms, right? So you can select the best. Okay, right, cool. So before moving to the paper, I'm giving another financial statement of a business calculation. Is it clear to you guys? Understand? Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so write with me. So did we write the Sukumalas one previously? Sukumalas? ලිව්වද නෑනේ? No. කලින් ලිව්වද බං? නෑනේ නේද? Right. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Right. I think I gave you one example, right? We did only one my calculation. Understood? Right? Okay, this is the example number 2. Example number 2. Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
So Kumalage Namoindo.
Sukumala කියන නමක් මට ඇහිලා මම දැම්මේ. Right. Okay. Right. Example number 2. Sukumal conducts a business. Write with me. Called Sukumala Traders and below are the trial balance. Below is the trial balance, which includes ledger balances for 2023 year. Right? 2023. Turn on the videos and right 2023. Right? Can Sukumala Traders trial balance as at 31st December 2023. Right? Rupees, debit, credit, accounting. Okay. So let's write it, let's round it to the thousands. It's easy for us. Is it clear to you guys? Understand? So I'm going to round the balances for thousands. Purchases, purchases 345,000, which means 345. Sales 790.5, 790.5, which means 790,500. Discounts, can write. Shall I think the best way to just wait. I'm going to. No. The balances are okay. No worries. ලියපු ටික හරි බය වෙන්න එපා. මම පොඩ්ඩක් මේක පොඩි කරන්න යන්න නැත්තම් මට ඉඩ මදි වෙනවා. මං ඉගෙන දෙන්නවද ළම? බය වෙන්න එපා ලියපු ටික හරි. ඔක්කොම හරි. Just wait, I'll small it because I want to use the full white book. ඔගොල්ලෝ වගේ ඉස්සරහට යන්න පිටු නෑ. පොඩ්ඩක් පොඩි කරමු. ලියපු ටික හරි බලන්න. Right? I'll take this side. Sukumala Traders. Trial balance as at 31st December 2023. Right? Right. Account name, debit, credit. So this is 1,000 rupees, right? I gave like purchases. You know how much? It's rupees 345,000. Sales, it's rupees 790,500. Discounts, 30 and 70. Opening stock, opening stock 20,000. Carriage inwards, $5,000. Carriage outwards 0.5, which means 500. Motor vehicle, since it is an asset, debit side 800,000, which means 800. Land and building, $1 million, which means 1,000 in here, plus three again, 3 zeros. 10% bank loan,
Excuse me, sir.
yes.
So what is the amount of carriage outwards?
Carriage outward means goods, the distribution cost of goods to the consumers. Carriage
No, no,
inwards,
sir. I mean the amount. I can't understand it. That's it.
yeah, carriage outwards with ගෙන යාමේ කුලි. Carriage inwards means ගෙන ඒමේ කුලි. ගෙන එන්නේ business place එකට, ගෙන යන්නේ customers. තේරෙනවද?
And sir, what amount is there? 0.5 කියලා දාදී.
Oh, sorry, 0.5. Sorry. Right? 10% bank loan. දන්නේ නැද්ද? උනාට වඩා හිතනවා වැඩි වුණාමත් මට කී වෙනවද? වැඩි හිතන්න. Right? 250,000. Bank loan interest, $20. 5% investment, $100. මම මේ ට්‍රයල් බැලන්ස් වලට ලියන්නව දෙන්නේ තොරවට පොඩ්ඩක් ඔලුවට යන්න. පැත්ත මේක කියලා මං කිව්වේ පැත්ත බලා ගන්න අපි ඔක්කොම. පැත්ත මාරුනොත් ඔක්කොම ඉවරයි. හරි. right. Debtors 80,000. Right? Right. Right. Creditors 100,000. Creditors 100,000. Cash balance 10,000. Commission 90. $90,000. Rent 20 and 30. Advertising 9,000. Stock damage 1,000. And अरे अरे what नहीं इधर छुट्टे fixed deposit 5 years 200,000. Fixed deposit 5 years 200,000. Fixed deposit 9 months 30,000. Debtors 2,000.
Sir, आप इसीलिए details नहीं बनेगा.
නෑ debtors ලිව්වනේ කල්. Let's take bad debts. Bad debts. Electricity. Finally, capital.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, what is the word there after fixed deposit?
Fixed deposit 5 years. 5 YRS. So
Okay.
balance it and tell me the total debit side and credit side both. Then tell me the total. May Tell me the total. How much is the total debit side total and the credit side total? Any idea? No one? No one with the calculation? Sales amount is 790,000.5. Again, 790,500. 790 plus 790.5 means this is 500 because we are using thousands. Understand? ප්‍රශ්න ගොඩක් තියෙනවා මොනවාද? සර් ඇයි පේපර් එකට ස්මාර්ට් බෝඩ් එක යූස් කරන්නේ නැත්තේ? ස්මාර්ට් බෝඩ් එක ICT ක්ලාස් තියෙනවා. Right. Okay, have you finished? So because this is good because that මම අහලම මේව කරේ ඒකට හේතුව මේ අපිට පුළුවන් ඒතර දැන් මටත් ගානක් හදනවානේ ස්මාර්ට් බෝඩ් එකේ ගණන් මට තියරි එක්ස්ප්ලেইন කරන්න පුළුවන් වයිට් බෝඩ් මේ ගණන් හදනකොට මේක හොඳයි. මොකද මටත් ලියාගෙන අයිනෙන් ඉන්න පුළුවන්. තේරෙනවද? Right? So it's two different experience to you. Theory part, paper revision in here. It's good, that's why. So because writing in here and everything, it's good for you. So I think any idea about the total? කවුරුත් නැහැ. ඒ කියන්නේ ගණන් හදන්න වැඩෝ නැද්ද? 2682.5. බාන මේ ගාන දෙන්න කියලා. Finish it and raise your hands. Finish it and raise your hands. වගීෂ නේතන් ඉන්නව නේද? Right. Still not finished, huh? Now we need to write the additional informations also. Additional informations. Number 1. Stock as at 31st December 2023 was rupees 10,000. Number 2. Owners cash cash drawings මගේ voice එක එච්චර අවුල්ද 1000 right
So how much is cash drawings?
rupees 1000 ordered in the books. Number 3. Further, this 5,000 need to be write off as bad debts. debtors. Number 4, investment income relevant for the period not received to the business required number 1, profit or loss statement number 2, statement of financial position. Okay, finish it and still no any. Okay, I'm removing all your S hand. ගැම්මට ඉන්න ඕනේ නිදා ගන්න බෑ. Okay, so once you finish, please raise your hands. Once you finish writing, raise your hands. Have you finished? All done?
Yes, sir.
Others? Azmi, Netuka? Huh? Right.
Writing, sir.
Okay, finish it and raise your hands. Okay, now මම අර කලින් වගේ මැජික් එකක් පෙන්නන්නම්. මේ ආයේ මේ පැත්තට පේනවා දැක්ක. Right. Okay. So I'm giving you few minutes. I want you to do this. හැමදාම මන්නේ කරන්නේ නේද? බලමු විනාඩි 8න් කරන්න පුළුවන් දක්ෂ ඉන්නවද කියලා. සිංගප්පූරු සවාරියක් දෙන්න. විනාඩි 10ක්ම දෙන්න.
සර් 15ක් දෙන්නේ.
බෑ 15 හොඳට. අම්බු. Prepare the P&L and SOFP. Start. Tell me how much is the time in here today. I don't know what. Working. I'm giving you like 10 minutes, which means till 8:50. Now it's 8:40. Prepare the P&L and SOFP. Shall I erase? Ask me, is it fine or still right? Okay, I'm erased from here. Now you can see it in. Whose business is this? This is Sukumala's business. Am I correct? Right? So you need to prepare both P&L and SOFP, right? We are drawing the structure, right? So first I'm drawing the P&L. This is the answer. Sukumala's business. Profit or loss statement. Karadi, Sukuma, not Sukumala's business. The business is Sukumala Traders, right? So you write the correct business name. Sukumala Traders. Sukumala's business. For the year ended, December 2020. මේක දහස් වලින් හදන්න එපා පැටලෙයි. Right? Don't prepare this from thousands. Use the full thing. Is it clear to you guys? If you need, you can
Yes, sir.
do, but I'm not doing thousands. Number 2, Sukumala Traders, statement of financial position as at 31st December 2020. Rupees. Cost, accumulated depreciation, net value or carrying value. You can write assets, then under that non-current assets, keep few lines, current assets, equity, liability, non-current liability. Keep spaces like 7, 5, 6 for this one, 7 for this one, likewise 5, 6 for this one. Okay. So draw the structure and raise your hand. මම විනාඩි 10 හරියටම structure එක ඇතුව. Nice. Right. Draw the structure and raise your hands.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir.
Yes. Yes. Any concern?
Sir, stock damage.
Stock damage, yes, it's coming under other expenses. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
So you want the question, Akram, right? Oh, the everything.
Everything, sir.
Okay. So I will send the question to the group. Once I finish the answer, I'll send it to the group, right?
Sir,
Yes.
I am in the 10th group, but I have not in the 11th group in
Okay.
commerce.
Send me a message. I'll add you to the grade 11 group. Right?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Do this. At least give a try. So just giving another 5 minutes to you to do this one. So then another question I got.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah. Yes.
5% investment means the interest income, right?
Yeah.
No, investment income, right?
Yeah. 5% means the income, right? We did everything in the theory class, right? Okay. Investments coming under non-current. Just give me 2 minutes. I'll be back. Till that, do it.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Right. So, I told you in theory class as well, when we get this kind of a question, where we starting from the additional information. Can you remember, guys? I told you. Normally, we are starting this kind of a question from which stage? We are starting from the additional information. Is it clear, you guys? Right. So, first of all, let's get back to the additional information number one. You here. Stock as at 31st December 2023 was 10,000, which means the closing stock, right? So, closing stock 10,000, right? Which means, in here, we write closing stock in two places. Closing stock in here 10,000 within bracket minus, and also, it is the first current asset. You can write closing stock in the second column as 10,000, right? So hope you got the idea. Closing stock coming to two places because it is we are deducting in here from cost of goods to be sold, because it's coming under cost of sales, and also it is a current asset to the business because we are taking brought forward it to the next year. Then next additional information number two, owner's cash drawings 1,000 hasn't been recorded in the books, right? Cash drawings not recorded in the books. It's really important. So, now first of all, let's see, is there any drawings are coming under equity? Drawings in the SOFP trial balance. Any drawings in the trial balance, guys? No, right? No. No any
No,
drawings.
sir.
No any drawings in the trial balance. Owner's cash drawing 1,000. So, දැන් මෙතන cash balance එකේ පෙන්නනවා 10,000 කියලා. ඇත්තටම books වල තියෙන්නේ 10,000 කියලා පෙන්නුවට අපි physically count කරාම ඇත්තටම cash balance එක තියෙන්නේ 9,000. Understand? Why? Because owner's cash drawing 1,000 not being recorded in the books. දැන් සාමාන්‍යයෙන් අපි හරියට accounts හදුවනම් පොත්වල තියෙන value එකයි physically තියෙන value එක tally වෙන්න ඕනේ. මම හැම මාසෙම මගේ account මාසෙම මගේ ෆර්ස්ට් එකේ මාසෙ අන්තිමට ඉතුරු වෙන ගාණයි මගේ පොතේ ගාණයි ටැලි වෙන්නේ. මං කියන එක තේරෙනවද? එහෙම නැත්නම් ඒ කියන්නේ මගේ accounts වල කොහේ හරි කොස්සක් තියෙනවා. මොකක් හරි වැරද්දක් තියෙනවා. වෙලා තියෙනවා. පස්සේ කල්පනා කරනවා 20ක් අඩුයි 30ක් අඩුයි හැමදේම කල්පනා. පස්සේ බලද්දී ඒ ගොඩක් වෙලාට මාසෙ අන්තිමට තමයි ටැලි වෙන්නේ නැති. සමහරවිට එක්කෝ මොනවා හරි බීම් එකක් දීලා නේද? මොකක් හරි ඩොනේෂන් එකක් දීලා මොනවා හරි ඔය යද්දි 20 30 අඩු වෙද්දි සමහරවිට මම බලනවා සමහර රුපියලටම ටැලි කරනවා. ඔය ෆ්‍රී ක්ලාස් එකේ කියලා තියෙනවා කොහොමද තමන්ගේ accounts තමන්ම හදාගන්නේ කියලා, right? To practice it, understand? You need to record your own transactions because you need to know you now normally I'm analyzing how much I spend for the entertainment, how much I spend for the food, understand? For travel, understand? So you need to do it. So I have two books like cash book and petty cash book. My petty like I have two purses for this to every to right. I separate my expenses, understand, right? So I will teach you how to do it in free class. Then you can have a clear idea to record the transactions of you all, and then you can reconcile it. Okay, later. Now in here you can see the cash balance is 10,000, right? Cash balance how much, guys? 10,000. But the actual cash balance is not 10,000. It should be like 9,000. Why? 1,000 cash drawings not been recorded in the books of accounts. Easy clear to you guys? Understand? The accurate cash balance should be how much? 1,000, 9,000. So in your trial balance, take a pencil. මම මෙතන ලියන්න බෑ. ඔයා මෙතන -1 කියලා දාගන්න cash balance ළඟ. මොකද 1000ක් උතරින් අඩු වෙන්න ඕනේ. -1 කියලා දාන්න because actual cash balance is 9,000, right? So when it comes to drawings, right, when it comes to capital, first we get the equity, first we get the capital, then we add the net profit, From that we deduct drawings. Though it's a now you know we did a quick example last time for next week. You know, when it comes to stock drawings, we deduct it from here. Can you remember, guys? Understand, right? When it comes to cash drawings, we deduct it from the cash balance. Understand, right? Though it's a cash drawings or goods drawings, we need to write the full drawings amount under equity. Understand, right? So you know drawings is 1000. You need to write it as 1000 minus. So you know keep like 4-5 lines to write other current assets. You know under liquidity concept, he write cash balance at last. Okay, so because of that, keep 4-5 lines, then write cash balance. How much? Though it's 10,000, we need to deduct 1000, then it's 9,000. 9,000. Turn on the videos. Turn on the videos and wait. accounts හදාගන්නවත් සල්ලි නෑ. accounts හදුවාම සල්ලි බයනේ. right. accounts හදාගම පාරේ ඉඟා කාලුණත් accounts හදාගන්න. The cash drawings and goods drawings are coming under SOFP and P&L. Only goods drawings coming under here. මෙහෙමයි goods drawing තිබ්බොත් ඒක මෙතනින් අඩු කරනවා. cash drawings තිබ්බොත් මෙතනින් අඩු කරනවා. ඒ දෙකම මෙතනටත් තේරෙනවද? right. okay. next one. ඉදි නෑ නේද ගැම්මට ඉන්න ඕනේ. අවසර පිපුණු මල් වගේ ඉන්න ඕනේ. right. හරි. ඉදි මත නම් හොඳ ටොක් එකක් කන ගන්න. okay. next one. Further, 5,000 need to be write off as bad debt from debtors. Look, let's see. Debtors 80,000. How much the bad debt in 2,000? You can see. Debtors 80,000. Bad debts 2,000 in here. Further, we need to write off bad debts. How much, guys? Rupees 5,000. ඒ කියන්නේ මොනවද? Debtors ලගෙන් තවත් 5,000 bad debts අඩු කරනවා කියන්නේ දැන් ඔයාලට පේනවා දැනට bad debts 2,000 තියෙනවා. කියන්නේ initially the debtor balance was rupees 82,000 original balance. Out of that we deduct 2,000. That's why 80 now. Initially the debtor balance was 82,000. අංගික දෙනවද නම්? ඒකෙන් 2000 කපලා තියෙන දැන්ට bad debts. තේරෙනවද? Bad debts means what? You know, debtors are the one who took our goods on credit basis. Now, when we identify they are not paying back to us, they will never pay back to us. We write off them as bad debt. Okay. So you know now think debtor balance coming under debit side. When we write off it, debtors balance credit, bad debt expense account debit. That's why bad debts is on the debit side, debtors balance is the same debit side. Why? You already deducted some amount from the debtors. You will learn this one in the adjustment entry. ඉස්සරහට අපි කතා කරනවා. තවත් තියෙනවා මම තාම ඒකට ආවේ නැහැ. නමුත් මම දැන්ට කරනවා. අපි adjustment entries 4න් 2යිනේ Thursday කරේ මතකද? We did only accrued expenses and the receivable income. We need to do other things, you know, bad debts and the depreciation. Now, you know, further 5,000 should be deducted means, but debtors like Israel minus 5 කියලා දාන 80 Israel minus 5 කියලා දාන. ඔය තවත් පහක් අඩු කරන්න. 80 Israel minus 5 කියලා දාගට පැන්සලේ. right? Bad debts වලට 2 එකට plus 5 කියලා දාන්න. Simply you know write in here minus 5 in here plus 5 in here. ඒ කියන්නේ තවත් කපන්න ඕන debtors ලා. ඒ කියන්නේ තව 5000යි සල්ලි දෙන්නේ නැහැ කියලා අපි identify කරලා දෙනවා. right? minus 5 under debtors, plus 5 under bad debts. Is it clear to you guys? Okay. So now you can get to know how much is the debtors correct value. 75. Am I clear to you guys? Okay. Now you can write, know how much the debtor value, actual debtor value, rupees 75,000. Right? Then in here, bad debts how much? 7,000. ගත්තේවට හරියක් දාන්න. අපි ගත්තේවට අපි debtor value ගත්ත debtor ඉස්සරහින් හරියක් දාගන්න. අපි bad debt ගත්ත ඒක ඉස්සරහින් හරියක් දාගන්න. ඊට අමතරව you know we what are the things? Yeah, cash we took the correction mark, right? You know bad debts coming under distribution. Bad debt is 7,000. Are you okay with this one, guys? Understand?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, current assets වල මේ ලියලා තියෙන second column එකේනේ ඕක කෙලින්ම third column එකට ලියන්න බැරිද?
Current assets වල බෑනේ third column කිව්වොත් පැටලෙනවනේ. මොකද current assets මේකේ ලියලා මේකේ total එක අරගෙන total non current assets වලට එකතු කරන්නේ. දෙන්න.
එහෙම කෙලින් අරන් එකතු කරන්න බැරිද?
ඇහුන්නේ. කෙලි තුනටම දාන්න පුළුවන්. තුනට දැම්මොත් එතකොට මේක එකතු කරලා ආයි මෙතන mix වෙනවා නිකන් ආයි වාට මේ ඔක්කොමත් වෙන වෙනම මේකත් එක්කත් එකතු. අවුලක් නෑ. Right? It's not a compulsory thing. Let's see. Rajidu got the answer. Let's see. Net profit, gross profit. Okay. It's balancing, right? Very good. Let's see. Let's see. Right. Next one. Then the other one. Investment income relevant for the period not received to the business. Let's see how much the investment in investment, you know. 5% investment. 5% investment means what? You know, 5% investment is an non-current asset. How much? It's rupees 100,000. Right? 5% means 100,000 into 5% means 10% means 10,000, 5% means 5,000. Not received to the business, which means it is an receivable income or accrued income. May adjustment take kara matakada, right? You know, now keep space to write non-current assets, then to balance like at least keep 4 lines, then 5% investment, you know, it is a non-current asset. How much? 100,000. But out of that, interest not received during the period, it is a receivable income, 5,000. You know, we write it under other income, investment income, $5,000. Not only that, it's coming under current asset, receivable, because it's not received during the period. Receivable, investment income, 5,000. Now everything done, we need to come from the beginning. Adjustments වලට ගත්ත නැති ඒවා හරි දාපු නැති ඒවා බලමු. Come from the beginning. First one. You can see purchases 345,000. So purchases 345,000. All good. Next one. Sales 790,500. 0.5 means 500, right? Sales 790,500. All good. Discounts, there are two types of discount you can see. Debit side discount means discount allowed because it is an expense. Credit side income means the credit side discount means it is an income for the of the business, right? Discount received, discount allowed 30,000. It's coming under distribution expenses. Discount allowed 30,000. You know, discount received coming under other income. $70,000. Opening stock
Excuse me, sir.
20,000. Yes. Yes.
Sir, may carriage outwards against 0.5 again over there.
0.5 කට 500. අයි අපි 1000 මේ thousands වලට මේක round off කරලානේ තියෙන්නේ. 500 දැන් දහස් වල ඉල්ලනවා නම් යට 5 කියලා ලිව්වොත් ඒක වෙන්නේ 5000. මං කිය දෙන්න. right? උඩ දහස් වලට round off කරලානේ තියෙන්නේ. මං කිය දෙන්න. ඒක 5 ලිව්වොත් උඩ බිංදු 3යි යට 5යි කියන්නේ 5000. මට 500 ලියන්න නම් 0.5 ලියන්න. තේරෙනවනේ? 0.5. clear? right? Next one. Carriage inwards 5,000. So you know carriage inwards coming under here. Purchases. Carriage inwards.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
So opening stock should be 20,000. No?
Oh yes. Sorry. Carriage inwards, thank you, 5,000. So carriage outwards coming under distribution. Then there are motor vehicle and land and building. You know, normally we are writing land and building first 1,000, right? Land and building. Thousand. No depreciation, so it's also 1,000. Motor vehicle, it's 800. Motor vehicle, eight hundred. 10% bank loan. This is really important to you. In here, 10% bank loan 250, which means 250,000. So 10% means the bank loan interest, it's rupees 25,000. 250,000 into 10% means how much, guys? 25,000. But you can see the bank loan interest, we paid only how much? 20,000. Easily clear to you guys? Okay. 5,000 is coming under accrued expenses, which means the payable expenses. Can you remember we did this one in the last week? Is it clear to you guys? This is accrued expenses. How much? 5,000. Why? You know, 250 means 250,000 in here. 10% bank loan means the bank loan interest should be paid during the year 25,000. 250,000 into 10%. But we have already been only paid rupees 20,000, which means 5,000. That's why 20 in here, which means 20,000. So it should be the 25,000, which means we missed. Now we paid only 20,000. 5,000 අපි ගෙවලා නැහැ, 20,000 විතරයි ගෙවලා තියෙන්නේ. මං කිය එක we missed the amount. So 5,000 need to identify under accrued expenses, right? Okay. Now, when it comes to this one, first of all, we need to write the bank loan amount under non-current liability. Right? No, under non-current liability, you can write the amount is 10% bank loan, 10% bank loan, rupees 250,000. 250,000. So the amount relevant for the period is bank loan interest 25,000. No, we are writing the amount relevant for the period. Bank loan interest. Amount relevant for the period is 25,000. But since we paid only 20,000, 5,000 coming under current liabilities, keep the first line to write the creditors, accrued bank loan interest. It's rupees 5,000. Right? Right? Okay. Any concerns? No, right? Well, and the others, Vagisha, are you there? Senari, Nadina, Netuka, Ajidu, Nathan, turn on the videos. Vagisha, Mugada, Ishanega Padina. Right. Next one. 5% investment done in here. Next one. Debtors 80,000, creditors 100,000. Debtors 80,000 we already took because it's 75,000. Creditors 100,000. You can write it under current liability. Creditors 100,000. All good. Cash balance okay. Commission. Yes. Yes.
Sir, mistake, sir.
All right. Okay. No any concern, right? Creditor cash balance. Creditor balance 100,000. Okay. Cash balance already took. Commission 90,000. You can see. Commission 90,000. Credit side means other income. If it is debit side, it's coming under distribution because it is an expense. But in here, it's debit side, credit side, which means income. Commission 90,000. Next one. Rent 20,000, 30,000. Rent 20,000 debit means an expense which is coming under administration expense. Rent 20,000. Right? Rent 30,000 credit means since income accounts BBF in credit side, it is credit side. Rent it's rupees 30,000. Advertising 9,000. It's coming under distribution. සාමාන්‍යයෙන් adjustments වලට එන ඒවා තැන් දෙකක ලියවෙන්නේ. Adjustments වලට නැති ඒවා එක තැනක විතරයි ලියවෙන්නේ. මං කියන එක තේරෙනවද නම්? Right? If it is subject to yes, if it is subject to adjustments, we write in two places. Stock damage 1,000. Other expenses. Thousand. Fixed deposit 5 years 200,000. 9 months 30,000. Debit side. It is an asset. 5 years non-current, 9 months current, right? Fixed deposit, ₹5, it's rupees 200,000. Then under here fixed deposit, 9 months, it's rupees 30,000. Bad debts already done. Electricity 10,000 is coming under administration. හොඳයිනේ මගේ ගාන. දැන් හැදුවේ. දැන් කියන්නේ මේක මම සිංහල මීඩියම් එකට දුන්න එක බලාගෙන ඇද්දි. කොහෙන්වත් නැහැ. කොහෙන්වත් බැලුවේ නැහැ. මේ ගාන කිසිම තැනකින් බලලා නෙමෙයි මම්මයි හැදුවේ. Right? X1. Capital 1,352, which means in here, you know, capital 1,352 000. Right? Balance වෙන්නේ ගාන කොහර එකතු කිරීම අඩු කිරීම වල අවුලක් තිබ්බොත් නම් balance වෙන්නේ නැහැ. And do the same thing, right? Easy balance. Let's see. Right. Let's see. In here, I'll get the totals. In here, cost of goods to be sold 370,000 minus 10,000 means 360,000. When we deduct it, 430,500 is the gross profit. Right. When it comes to other income, 5,000, 70,000, 90,000, 30,000 means 195,000, which means 625,500. $7,000, 30,000, 500, 9,000 means 46,500. In here 30,000. In here 1,000. In here 25,000. So when we get the total in here, so when we get the total in here, $25,000 plus 1,000 plus 46,500 plus on the total of these things, you know, 102,500. When we deduct it, you can see the gross profit 523,000, which means gross profit plus other income 625,500 minus 102,500, which means 523,000. Okay, so this is the net profit of the business. You need to add net profit under equity, net profit 523,500. Sorry, 523,000. Right? So let's close the non-current assets. You know it's 1,000. Sorry, this should be like another 3 is coming under here. Sorry, it's my mistake. එතන අපි මේ හැදුවේ ළමයි thousands වල ඉන්නේ. Oh, sorry guys. එතන thousands එනවා නම් බිංදු 3ක් තව එන්න. කවුද මල්ලි මේ? ගන්න නැද්ද පොඩ්ඩක් රෑ වෙන්න ඩාම් වෙනවා. Right? So this is 800,000. Now it's fine. Samawa avasara, right? Then it's 1,800, which means 18 lakhs. Then you can get the total in here. 21 lakhs. In here, when you get the total of the non-current current assets, it's total assets. Okay, then it's 129. Then 2229. Oh, nice amount. දෙකේවා 3යි 9යි. This is the total asset. So total equity $1,352 plus 523 minus 1,000, which means 1,870. Just 6 balance, right? Same amount. 2,229. This is total equity and liability. බිම වාඩි වෙලා තමයි ලියන්නේ. Total equity and can you feel my pain when I prepare the full transaction, full calculation? Well, send the picture to the group.
Sir, make a picture, conference.
Oh, madam. Once you finish, raise your hands. ආධ්‍යාත්මික සුවය balance වෙනවා.
Sir, අද සර් 11 වෙනකන් තියෙන්නේ.
next week. මේ මොනවාද කවුද අපේ වගීෂ නේද? වගීෂගේ ලොකු සද්දයක් එනවා නේද? එන ගංගාවක් මැද්දදී
සර් ෆෑන් එකද?
ෆෑන් එක ගම් 7කට ඇහෙන්න හුලං ඉන්නත් දාලා තියෙනවා. Finish it and raise your hands. So I prepared this calculation covering each and everything, right? You can read any something belongs to at least like sometimes when it comes to a question, no any other expenses, understand? But I prepared it to write include everything. Thank God it's finished. Okay, take your time, no hurry. So thank you, Rajidu. Others, Nadina and Netuka, once you finish, raise your hands. All done? Netuka? Right. Okay. So even I can prepare anything, any kind of a question. Then මේක ඔයගලන්ට රහසක් කියන්න තියෙනවා හොඳට අහගන්න. එකපාරක් exam එකේ ඇහුවා මම කලින් කිව්වද මේ total income ගැන නෑනේ? Did we discuss about total income? Now in last year, I can't remember the year. So they ask what is the total income? Then කට්ටිය හරි ප්‍රශ්නයක්. So total income means sales plus other income. Is it clear to you guys? Total income, only two income places are available, sales and other income. You get the total of other income 195,000, sales 190,500, 790,500. The total of these two 195,000 plus 790,500 is the total of the other income. Total of the income. Okay, sales plus other income. Okay, then you know, when we take this kind of a question, you need to know how to get the total, like present the assets under the liquidity concept, right? Present the liability also under liquidity basis, which means like prior to release, right? You know, that's why I wrote cash balance at last, closing stock first, then the debtors next. Okay, are you okay with this one, guys? Okay, so this is the end of the calculation. Let's get back to the paper.